So this is my final project, Bread Slice. A little bit about me. I'm from New Jersey, studied and lived in Boston. I really enjoy trying new restaurants with friends and family, so I decided to make this app called Bread Slice, which is the main reason why I wanted to do this was because it's something that I plan on actually using in the future. The main idea behind it is it's an application where the person that pays for the dinner can upload a picture of that receipt to the app, and then the app will take text and actually turn it into values, which can then be split up amongst the people that attended. To build this, I used Mern, so React, MongoDB, Express, Node, and a library called Tesseract.js, which does the optical character recognition, also known as OCR. So when I upload the image, it's actually going through Tesseract, and it's a library which allows you to do that with file uploads. Some of the challenges I faced were actually using Tesseract, because when you actually send the file through it, it just returns this large string. And so I didn't actually care about all the other stuff that's usually on a receipt. I only cared about the food names and the prices. And so I had to essentially look for the dollar signs on the receipt and then split it from there, get the dollar and the food names. And the other challenge was using React, actually, which kind of calls for using a different way to think about the project. It's a lot more component-based. So it required a new way to think about it and go about the project. This little bit of scope creep. I had a kind of an idea, but at the end, it was just like the amount of time was, I couldn't implement all the things that I planned on doing. But some of the things I plan on adding in the future include like adding an actual Venmo API so that people can actually pay through the app, and then actually sending the receipts to the people so they can actually see if they got a notification, and giving the guests a little bit more power in picking what they got. So let's give it a shot. Oh. Uh-oh. No? All right, fine. Is it loading? Okay. There it is. It's a little slow, but cool. All right, so I'm gonna log in. So a couple days ago, actually, a few of us went to a Chinese place down the street, and it just so happened that receipt is on this computer. So let's see here. So we went to a place called Three Chefs. Let's see here. It's Mike, Anna, and myself. And I'm going to choose the file. So you can actually do this also on your phone, but for the presentation, I downloaded the file here. So there's the receipt. I'm going to upload it, and now it's going to go through Tesseract, which will pull the items from. Might be a little slow. Hopefully. That I did not mean for that to happen, but I'm going to try this again. I don't know what's going on. Maybe the receipt can't be read or something. Choose file. Boom. It is a PNG, so it should work. Okay, there we go. It's a little slow, but this time it should work. Okay, so there it is. It got all the things. And so actually with Tesseract, receipts are like some of the worst things you can actually use, because it's like, usually they use like cheap paper. It's in your wallet. It gets all wrinkled and everything like that. So, there's like some things so the user can go in and edit it and like fix some of the stuff. Let's see here. Boom. I think that looks good. We can kind of tell like what all the items are. Save and submit, and then here we have the list of all the people that attended. and you can actually pick like what everyone got. So let's say Mike got some edamame, and it updates the price over here. So boom, you can just go through it. So at the moment, it's, the tips and tax are kind of another feature that I plan on implementing. But, you can just go through it and just essentially just say like what everyone got. In the future, I actually want to allow the other guests to say what they got, and then kind of, not put it all on the owner of the receipt to like do the work for it. But yeah, that's bread slice for you. Cool. Thank you.